Hello guys, welcome to Kamala's English classes. Dear guys, today we shall discuss the correct use of verbs. I think it will be very useful for you so far as your academic career is concerned. So it is my request, please watch this video from beginning to end without skipping any portion so that you can understand, and I shall try my best to make you understand in very simple language what are the grammatical rules behind them. I shall explain it clearly and pay attention and observe how I am explaining and how I am doing the problems given on the board. Okay, fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs given in the brackets. This is the instruction given. Okay, the question number 1. The Ganga days within bracket rise in the Himalayas. So the correct answer will be the Ganga rises. What is the grammatical rule behind it? We know we use present simple form of verb, present simple tense form of verb for mathematical truth, geographical truth, scientific truth, or you say universal truth. This comes under the jurisdiction of geographical truth. That's why simple present tense form of verb rises is used here. Okay, then we shall go for question number 2. There dash within bracket come a cat. Dear guys, you know the answer will be comes. Dear guys, you know when a sentence begins with there or here, it takes simple present tense of form, simple present tense form of verb. So the appropriate form of verb here is comes. There comes a cat. It means a cat is coming there. Okay. Then we shall go for question number 3. Virat dash within bracket play the ball and dash pick up a single. Here play and pick up, two verbs are there. We know we take the help of present tense, present simple tense form of verb to give running commentary of sports and games. That's why the correct answer will be here, the correct form of verb will be plays. Virat plays the ball and picks up a single. Though the event goes to past tense, but as it is a running cricket commentary, or you say sports commentary or football commentary, any sports and games commentary, then we use simple present tense form of verb. That's why Virat plays the ball and picks up a single. Then we shall go for question number 4. This bottle dash within bracket contain medicine. You know there are some non-progressive verbs like love, hate, like, dislike, smell, look. Similarly, consider, imagine, contain. Contain comes under the scope of non-progressive verb. That's why the appropriate answer will be this bottle contains medicine. Then we shall go for question number 5. If you hit iron, it dash expand. It is a zero type conditional sentence. We know zero type conditional sentences are used to express mathematical truth, geographical truth, scientific truth, and mythological truth. It is a scientific truth. It is a zero type conditional sentence. In zero type conditional sentence, both if clause and main clause contain simple present tense form of verb. That's why it's a correct form of verb will be expands. Okay, expands. If you hit iron, it expands. Then we shall go for 6. The sky dash within bracket look blue. Look. It is look. It is a non-progressive verb. Means it cannot be used in present progressive or past progressive tense. So like smell, look, seem, appear, or you say believe, consider, understand. Like this, it is also a non-progressive verb. That's why its appropriate form of verb in this case will be the sky looks. The sky looks blue. Then we shall go for question number 7. My sister dash within bracket cook now. When the speaker is speaking, the work is continuing. In that case, we use present continuous tense or present progressive form of verb. And another indication is there now. Now indicates that this sentence belongs to present continuous tense or present progressive tense. That's why the correct answer will be my sister is cooking. My sister is cooking now. Then question number 8. I dash him since 9 o'clock. Within bracket, what is given. When an action start in past, continues up to when the speaker is speaking, in that case, we use present perfect progressive. That's why the appropriate answer will be I have been waiting him since 9 o'clock. Okay, dear guys, now we shall go for question number 9. The question number 9 says, if I were a bird, I dash within bracket fly in the sky. This is a type 2 conditional sentence. You know, in type 2 conditional sentence, if clause always contains a simple past tense form of verb. If auxiliary verb is there, even singular form of verb takes plural form of verb. So I wear. And in main clause, would plus base form verb is used. It is a conditional sentence, second type conditional sentence. In second type conditional sentence, the events of present time or future time is expressed, but the verb used in the type 2 conditional sentence are always in past tense form of verbs. Like, if I were a bird, I would fly. I would fly in the sky. So, this is the correct form of verb. Then we shall go for question number 10. I hope he dash within bracket get better soon. So when a sentence starts with I hope, I expect, I think, I am afraid, it goes to future simple. I mean, if something is expected to happen, believed to happen, in that case, present simple, future simple tense form of verb or seller will plus base form of verb is used. That's why the appropriate form of verb will be here, will get. I hope he will get better soon. Then we shall go for number 11. She dash cook at 10 a.m. See, if this sentence refers to future. If something is happening at a particular time in future, continuing in future in a particular point of time, or a particular point of movement in the future, there we use future progressive tense. That's why the correct form of verb will be she will be cooking. Will be cooking. She will be cooking at 10 a.m. Now we shall go for question number 12. Mr. Das dash within bracket preside over the meeting on 15th this year. So this is a personal arrangement for future. For personal arrangement for future, planned future, we can use present progressive tense form of verb or be going to form of verb plus base form of be going to plus base form of verb. That's why the appropriate answer will be Mr. Das is going to preside over the meeting. Going to preside over the meeting. Or otherwise we can also do Mr. Das is presiding over meeting on 15th this year. Two possibilities are there. Is going to preside over or is presiding over. Both are correct. Then we shall go for question number 13. He does get his reward yesterday. As yesterday has been used here, it refers to near past. That's why the appropriate form of verb will be got. He got his reward yesterday. Then we shall go for question number 14. We see the price of petrol dash go within bracket go off recently. The very word recently is used in near past or simple past and shortly is used in simple future. That's why here the appropriate form of verb will be went. We see the price of petrol went up recently. Then we shall go for question number 15. If I had reached the station in right time, I dash within bracket catch the train. This is the type 3 conditional sentence. You know, type 3 conditional sentences are imaginary. Actually, they are real, but as the time has elapsed, they have become unreal. And in type 3 conditional sentence, if clause are always expressed with past perfect tense, and in main clause would, should, could, might plus have plus V3 or past participle form of verb is used. That's why here the appropriate form of verb will be would have. I would have cut, C-A-U-G-S-T, cut. If I had reached the station in time, in right time, I would have cut the train. Okay? So I think you must have understood the grammatical rule behind the questions I discussed. Dear guys, you should write it down in your copy and practice it 2 to 3 times so that you can better understand the grammatical rules behind it. Okay? Dear guys, if you think this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and comment. And those who are watching my channel for the first time, it is my request to them, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload new video, you will get immediate notification. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. All the best.